Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce quickly. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients: ripe, juicy tomatoes, a few cloves of garlic, good quality olive oil, and fresh basil. For the best results, choose tomatoes that are firm and fragrant. Next, wash and core your tomatoes, then chop them into quarters. Mince about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic and we're ready to begin cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your minced garlic and sauté it for about 1 minute, just until it becomes fragrant and lightly golden. Be careful not to burn it. Then, add your chopped tomatoes to the pot, stirring well to combine everything. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld. To achieve that perfect sauce consistency, use a potato masher or the back of a spoon to crush the tomatoes as they cook. This helps release their juices and break down the pulp. If your tomatoes are a bit acidic, a small pinch of sugar can help balance the flavor beautifully. Finally, season your sauce with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste preferences. We're almost there. For a burst of fresh flavor, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves during the last minute of cooking. The heat will wilt the basil slightly, releasing its aromatic oils. Cook for just 60 more seconds, then remove the pot from the heat. Your quick, homemade tomato sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately over your favorite pasta or use it in another dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.